Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's vlog is very special because it marks the final chapter of our Europe travel series. Switzerland has given us mountains that touch the sky, lakes that felt like dreams, and moments with our little toddler that we will carry forever. As an Indian couple wandering through this fairy tale country, we have been nothing short of spellbound. It's our last morning here in Zurich. The suitcases are packed. The hotel near the airport is quiet. But our hearts are not quite ready to say goodbye. With a very few precious hours before our flight, we decided to end this journey the sweetest way possible at the iconic Swiss chocolate factory. So come with us, one last adventure, one last story, and of course, one last taste of Switzerland. Good morning from beautiful Zurich. It's our last day here at the stunning Hyatt Regency, and I must say, this stay has been nothing short of amazing. From the cozy rooms to the breathtaking views, it's been the perfect Swiss experience. And clearly, someone's been enjoying the mirror more than anything else. If you are ever visiting Zurich, especially for a very short stay near the airport, this hotel is such a great pick. But like every good story, our stay here also comes to an end. It's time to check out and continue our sweet Swiss journey. Quite literally. The Hyatt Regency Zurich Airport is truly a perfect mix of elegance and comfort. The rooms are spacious, modern, and the hospitality has been so warm. The lobby area looks very stunning, sleek design with the Swiss minimalism at its best. Zurich roads never fail to charm, neat, peaceful, and surrounded by postcard perfect views. Welcome to the Lindt Home of Chocolate, a paradise for every chocolate lover. The moment you enter, the aroma of freshly made chocolate just wraps around you like a wrap hug. And this giant chocolate fountain, it's even more magical in real life, trust me. This 9-meter tall chocolate fountain is definitely the first Instagram moment of the day.
এটা ছিনলে হবে না এখন এটা স্ক্যান করতে হবে।
The tour takes you through the fascinating history of chocolate, how cocoa beans travel thousands of miles to become the silky, smooth Swiss chocolate we all love. The factory also has interactive sections where you can learn how the chocolate is made. This place is just not a museum, it's a full sensory journey into the world of Swiss chocolate. And yes, there are testing spots everywhere, from dark to milk and even some exclusive flavors you can't find anywhere else. You can even step inside the open view production area. You can watch live demonstration and understand how those silky smooth truffles come to life. And of course, the best part, unlimited chocolate testing. Yes, unlimited. Literally, it's unlimited testing. Don't skip the testing room. It's every chocolate lover's dream. Kids love the interactive screens and the testing areas, and it's very stroller friendly pathways. I think this part made us both the happiest. The unlimited chocolate testing. I mean, who could ever say no to that?
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10.
If you are ever visiting Zurich, this place is an absolute must. It's such a fun family experience, educational, delicious, and filled with that sweet Swiss charm. It's a lovely gift shop filled with beautiful Lindt creations. The experience ends in the famous Lindt shop, one of the largest chocolate boutique in the world, where you will find the limited editions, the exclusive gift boxes, and the chance to create your own box.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
The interactive museum takes you through the entire history of cocoa, the evolution of Swiss chocolate craftsmanship, and how Lindt became one of the world's most loved brands. And that's how our sweet Swiss adventure comes to an end. Heading back to Zurich Airport now, with the hearts and bags full of chocolate and memories. And there are few tips for the visitors. Try to book your tickets online in advance, especially on weekends and holidays, because slots fill up very fast. Morning slots are usually less crowded. And try to arrive before 12 p.m. to enjoy the museum without any rush, because weekdays offer the best experience. Try to keep at least 1.5 to 2 hours for the full tour, including the tasting and shopping. And the parking is very limited at the museum, so public transport is more convenient here. All our Europe travel stories are linked in the description below. A little library of moments we have captured across the beautiful continent. If our journey has made you smile, inspired you, or simply kept you company, we would love for you to join our small YouTube family. Hit that subscribe button. It costs nothing, but for us, it keeps these stories alive and help us create many more. If you enjoyed watching this Swiss journey with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, it's me, Sudipta Ghosh, signing off for the day. Take care. Bye bye.